Hey guys, so welcome back again to my channel. For today, we have another sneaker unboxing and I will show you guys my new sneakers from Nike. So I got this online guys and I purchased the sneakers sa Park Access, and you can check out their website at parkaccess.com.ph. And before you can shop online, you just need to parang become a member. So just subscribe to their email, then they will send you yung password to enter the site. Now, the new sneakers that I got, again, is from Nike. And these are new Air Jordans. So the Jordans that I got is itong Air Jordan 1 na mid shoes. And the colorway is dark chocolate and crimson Bliss. And one thing na talagang nagustuhan ko with the sneakers is yung color niya, yung colorway niya. Kasi wala pa akong sneakers na talagang brown. And whenever I look at the shoe, para siyang boots, no? Naisip ko nga parang Timberland na sapatos. So, yun lang. Kaya nagustuhan ko rin siya. Again, it's different from what I have. Usually, yung mga shoes ko talagang white or black lang eh. So, naisip ko this would be a nice addition dun sa somehow growing collection ko ng Jordans. So, looking at the detail guys. So, yung material niya, it's suede. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag eh. Parang suede-like nga talaga. Yung parang sa boots. So, yun yung material niya. Hindi siya smooth leather. So, iniisip ko lang yung maintenance lang talaga nito. I have to be very careful kasi nga very delicate yung material. Well, hindi naman sa very delicate, but yun nga eh, parang iwas basa lang talaga. Then, here, yung laces niya in front, nakyutan din ako kasi ano siya eh, reflective. Diba? Yung Air Jordan dito, yung logo, same color nung shoe. Dito. And basically, that's it. It's the same Air Jordan, of course. Ito, may reflective material ka lang. It's just that yung colorway niya talaga, that's one thing that stands out sa sneakers na to. So, inside, guys, you have the Jumpman logo. Then, same color siya dito. Then, I don't know if you've noticed, maganda yung lining niya sa loob. It's very plush, soft. And may details siya, para siyang quilt. Kasi nakikita niyo, meron siyang parang diamond design na logo. And dito rin sa parang tongue niya, same din yung lining. Very, ano siya, parang cozy. Parang ganun. Then, gusto ko yung material dito. Yung nylon ba to? To go with the suede dito. It's really nice. Nagugustuhan ko talaga siya. So, the other pair naman, I really like the sneakers, to be honest. Talagang, buti na lang pala I decided on getting it. Kasi nung una, I was still thinking about the sneakers. Pero, buti na lang, napag-isipan ko to get it. Kasi, wala lang, ang ganda talaga niya. Para siyang boots na sneakers na, I don't know. And I'm guessing, feeling ko, maganda to, lalo na pag naka-jeans ka. Pwede rin siguro shorts, but I feel na mas maganda siya with jeans, no? What do you think, guys? So, comment down below if you think this is better with jeans or okay din siya, whether jeans, shorts, chinos, etc. So, give me style tips or advice on how I can wear the sneakers. And before I forget, the sneakers retail for $6,595. Delivery is free since it's more than 5,000 pesos. So, retail price niya $6,595. So, there you have it, guys. These are my new Air Jordan 1 mid sneakers. Colorway is dark chocolate and crimson Bliss. I hope you like this quick unboxing of my new Air Jordans, and I will see you again next time. Bye, guys.